This is the kitchen. There's a plug here, plug there, there, there. Now I've got these lights here positioned like he wants them. I mean, they're not like on the inch, but he wants them evenly spaced over there, 5 lights, and then a couple over here. Now we got 2 options. He's fine with not running these in the wall. If we can put a switch here, over on this side of the kitchen, next to this plug, give it some power. Put his dimmer for all these lights here, or we can put a switch for this side of the kitchen over there and one over here somewhere for this side. Obviously, it'd be better if they're on one switch. The only thing is, if we're going to do that, he said, because here's the deal, he's not really wanting to put them inside the wall per se, and he wants to be able to change them out someday in the future if he wants to, or if he has problems with them. So he is completely okay with us putting these up under the cabinet and running this wire either on the front side where it can't be seen or up under here. We just have to work them through all the cabinet and things here. But he's perfectly fine with this wire being up here like this. Will you hold this camera for me for a second? Up under here. He's perfectly fine with this wire. Can you see up under here in that? He's perfectly fine with this wire like this, tucked up under here. Yeah, you got it. And then the light will just be on center up under here, and the wire will run straight back. So that saves a lot of work, but if we put it on one switch, we're going to have to figure out how you want to run this along the back of the stove here, because it's a microwave under here. We could either tuck the wire real tightly up against under here, or we could run the wire up inside the cabinet here, around and back down over on this side of the cabinet, and then continue the run. So basically he's okay with it as long as it looks neat and we have them tucked appropriately and the wires aren't going to be falling. He's fine with these all going up underneath in the center up underneath here, and the wires just running up along the back side or up on the front side. That way all we got to do, if you want to use 2 plugs, just put a plug or 2 switches, one over there and one over here. I'm all for just one switch over here and figure out a way to loop that over to the other side of the microwave. But the only modifications we're going to have to make to this is cutting the plugs off and hardwiring them and bypassing these on-off switches, you know. So then we can just have it all networked onto one switch here. Or like I said, if you want to do 2 switches, you can. I don't think it's necessary. So again, this is the setup. It's going to be here and here. Now I'm going to pause this video for a second. I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing with the tile.